guys, in this video, I'm going to make some fun, bleaching the closure, bleaching the hair to show all my customers. And the following days, I think I kind of do more things like this to show you how our hair can bleach color. So this one, I will put the powder first. I will not put too much, just this enough. So this liquid to blend together. I think this. Every day I'm very busy replying customers' messages, so this is a very good opportunity for me to starting, showing case, doing fun, and interact with all my customers. This, and you need to stir it solidly. You need to stir it solidly. This one. A lot of ladies ask me, do you use chemical to process with your hair? So I don't think this is a very good or very correct question for you to ask your vendors, because you know, actually this bleaching powder, this bleaching kit, they already have some chemical. Without the chemical, you can't bleach the hair. So the proper way you ask your vendor is, do you use chemical to process with the bad hair to good looking hair? You can ask your vendor like this, because a lot of vendors, they collect the hair on the floor, collect the dead hair, the prisoner hair, and you know, it's kind of a hair ball. It's twisted, like a ball. That's very bad hair. So they use chemical to process the hair, to stretch the hair, to make it long, straight, nice again. That's they use chemical to do like that. So, but that part, no vendor will show you that. And if you are my old friend, on my YouTube videos, I already show one video. I think it's 2 videos. You can go back to check the videos. It's a long time ago. So I always keep asking clients to watch the videos, to learn things, to educate yourself in this hair business. Maybe I will use this one to use this one. I will stuck on this head. Stuck the lace on this head. Okay, it's good now. So this. I think I need one more of this. This one. And maybe after 20-30 minutes you can see the hair color. Now it's natural black, but I will try to. Normally I would put the hair on the table on the aluminum paper, but this is, I want you guys to see it clearly, so I will do it this way. Not too much yet. I'll put more. I can see it's starting to change now. Just 1 minute, it's starting to change now. Let's I need to put more. You can see it's not too much. This video, the main purpose is to show you that the lace closure, the hair can be bleached well here. Inside between the hair strands is not bleached solidly, so you see some strands of hair still don't have enough bleaching. And later I will bleach a little bit the knot. Now it's natural black. You see the knot is a natural black. Normally I will bleach at least 2 to 3 times. I will make it to color 27 first. The color 27 first, I make it to. This is not a very good position for me to bleach the hair. Normally I put it on table, but I just want to show you guys in a better way. Like this. Okay.